So for this week, these are the two things I designed. I know, not a lot, but what can I do? I have so much schoolwork, but besides that, these are the two things I designed, and let's go over them. So for this first design, the intent for this was to learn how to use the offset tool and the text tool. Especially the text tool. I had trouble with this one. It's a dumb but simple mistake that you see the font here. In Fusion 360, there are fonts you can't use where you type the text up and it won't show up as you try to extend the font. And I had so much trouble with that for some reason until it took me a few minutes to realize what I was doing wrong. But this is what came out, and with that, although this was originally meant to be a coaster, but I thought it looked good as a keychain, so I added a hole at the top. As you can see, there's some red bleeding through, which is not wanted, and the only way to fix that was to do the coloring in Bamboo Studios, which doesn't take too long, but it takes a certain amount of time, and I wanted this done quickly. So yeah, for this first design, it was pretty good. And now for this second design, I went with a much more simple approach with this. I just needed some place to hold my pens, as you can see. Turns out this is probably one of the more useful products I've created, where I just leave it sitting on my desk whenever I need a pen. I just take it, use it, and then put it back. It's that simple. And really for this, it's just really simple. I added some fillets, as you can see, but a problem with this type of printing is that you can see a little bit of warping, where you can start to see like this one main line going through everything, which was not part of the design. So for that, I was gonna put brims, but you don't need a brim. You just need like rabbit. They call it Mickey Mouse ears, where you put circles at the top, and that stops the sides from pushing up and wanting to warp. So that's what I'll probably add in my next design. And so for that concludes this week of designing and learning. So overall, not too bad. And so next week I'll get into more technical stuff. I have a theme for what I want to create next, which is desk organizers, where it will help me organize my desk better. So that's the theme for these 30 products / 30 days. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and wait till the next video comes out, which is probably next week. We'll see. And yeah, keep designing.